Hey everyone, this is Seth Goldsmith, the technical support ninja from PDGO Web Solutions and PDGO.com. I'm here with my Samsung Galaxy S5 Android phone, and I'm going to show you how to set up a PDGO email address on this device. First, we need to find the email application. If you don't have it on your home screen, you'll have to click your applications button here, but I have it right here on my home screen to make it easy to find. This is your email accounts configuration setting here. We're going to go ahead and type in our email address as well as our password. All right, once you've typed in your email address as well as your password, just double check it one last time and then click the manual setup button. Next, it's going to ask us whether we want to set up a POP account or an IMAP account or a Microsoft Exchange account. This is going to be an IMAP account. All right, everyone, next we have the incoming mail server settings. First, at the top, make sure the email address, again, is spelled correctly. Next, make sure that your username is your full email address. A lot of times they'll stop before the @ sign, so make sure that's correct. Your password should be fine, should have been entered correctly on the previous page. Next, we get to the IMAP server. That's going to be mail.pdgo.com, no matter what your domain name is. And then we have the security type. That needs to be set to SSL. Finally is the port. That should be set automatically, but just in case it isn't, it's 993. There's no need to set the IMAP path prefix, and so we're going to go ahead and click Next. All right, now it's time to configure your outgoing mail settings. First, notice that the SMTP server is smtp.pdgo.com. The security type needs to be set to SSL. The port number should be configured automatically, but just in case, it's 465. Make sure require sign-in is checked, and then below, don't forget to type in your full email address for your username and then your password. Once all of this is complete and looks like this, we're going to click the Next button. Now this window just has a few different account options. Most of these you can figure out on your own. Just keep in mind, the more often that you check your email, the more drain it will put on your battery. Other than that, most of the default settings are perfect here, so we're just going to click Next. Finally, there's just a few final options to configure. First, you want to give your account a name. It says it's optional, but if you have a lot of accounts on your device, you want to make sure that you can easily discern which one is which. And then finally, this is your display name. So for me, it would be Seth Goldsmith, and of course for you, it would be your name. If all of that is correct, just click the Done button, and you're all set and ready to check your inbox. Now that everything is set up and working properly, you can get to work. If you had any trouble whatsoever, feel free to give us a phone call at 888-354-4946 and press option 2 for support. Or you can send an email from another account to support@pdgo.com. Have a great rest of the day, and thank you for using PDGO Web Solutions.